Hello everyone, this is Faisal Ahmed Shibat. Welcome to the 5 minutes tutorial. So we are going to start a new C# course for beginners. We have divided the course into 3 parts. The first part is C# basic, the second part is C# OP and the third part is C# project. So in first part C# basic, we will learn the basic C# structure, what are the variables in C#, how can we do comment in C#, data types, typecasting, user input, how can we give input in C# program, operator, math, string, booleans, the basic program functionality like if-else, switch case, for loop, while loop, and arrays. We will also learn method, how can we use parameter in method overloading. In object-oriented C#, we will learn the object-oriented programming, class and object clarification. We will learn how to use constructor and destructor in C#, access modifier, inheritance, polymorphism, abstraction, interface, enums, files, and we will learn how to handle exception in C# program. We will finish the course after doing two projects. The first project is making calculator with all the basic functionality. The second project will be making a school management system. Both are the project will be desktop app. So let's start our course. So introduction with C#. We know that C# is a object-oriented programming language which is developed by Microsoft. The first version was released in 2002 and it was .NET Framework 1.0. The latest version of C# is C# 8, was released in September 2019. So C# is actually a very basic that has the roots from C# family, C family, and the language is close to other popular languages like C++ and Java. So why C# is popular? C# is actually popular for mobile application development, desktop application, web application, web service, website, game development, virtual reality, database application, and so much more. Structure of C#. So actually here we can see using system is actually a namespace. So in C#, namespace is a container which contain the classes and other namespace. So what is class? Class is also a container which contain the data and methods. All the program and all the functionality we have to write in class. We cannot write any program or functionality in other part without class. So let's start. So let's do a simple code. So first we have to select file, new, and project. Then here we have to confirm we have selected Visual C#. Then console app.NET Framework, and here we have to give a name. So I am giving a name here. Then click OK. Here you can see the basic structure of C# code, and I will write code here. So console.writeLine is used for printing anything in console panel. I want to print hello 5 minutes tutorial in my console panel. So I have written hello 5 minutes tutorial. After finishing this, I am writing console.readKey. Actually here console.readKey is I have written console.readKey for holding the console till pressing any key. So here is the output. Hello 5 minutes tutorial. Thank you. That's all for today. In next video we'll learn what are the variables in C#, data types, and how can we do comment in C#. Thank you.